Jimmy, shoot it! So I washed that water bottle, Brian. Apparently it tastes like soap. Yeah. What's Justin doing? What's up?
Whoa.
So how much of soap does it taste like?
What?
How much soap does it taste like?
It's like
I didn't put that much soap in it. I just
small
got it
amount
today,
of
though.
soap.
Like I ordered it online, so I was like, I might as well wash this. Brian, score a goal for me. Brian, don't let me down.
I can't shoot. Nice save.
How's blocking angles? Hey Dustin, how's the buffalo chicken? How's the buffalo chicken? I don't know, you were in the bathroom for a while.
Yeah, I had the shits. You got a problem?
Yeah. Shoot it, Justin, you won't.
Oh, he's calling you out. Shoot it. He's
Shoot it,
calling
you
you
won't.
out.
Brad wants the rebound.
Shoot it. Shoot it.
From there.
Get out of my face. Sorry, Aaron. I had to fart to get everybody out of my face.
I can't see. Ah, suck it, Brad.
You touch me now. You gotta know. You all like men. Yeah,
Where's
and
he?
your points are like other boys.
Brad, that was your chance.
Doing a play out. Nah.
Let's see you, Brad.
Yeah, go like that. Yeah.
Brian, watch out.
Yeah. No. No.
I was three, but lucky. I want to see Joe dive through the doors. I want to see Joe dive through the doors. Bro, I'm playing up if you want to. That's okay. He's in front of the net. Ooh. Oh.
Nice save. Oh. There. That's out. You got. You're good. You're good. You see how I stopped Brad from shooting?
Yeah, it was nice. I didn't see it.
No.
Yeah.
Actually, you're
Dylan, help me out.
I'm just saying, we have 3 goalies. We have 3 goalies right here. I think we can block anything right now.
I don't want to be a goalie.
Okay, we have 2 goalies right here.
My left knee is killing me. Plus I got hair in my eye. Help yourself. Alright, see ya.
Good ass. Will be somebody noticed.
You said it was soapy. How's that good? Think I have hair in my eye?
No, it's a very pretty girl in your shirt. You know her? Thank you. You know her? I wish. I think that's Pokemon. All right.
Oh! But yeah, I think I might have. Dylan in the box. Yeah, play it from there. Shoot it off my back in the net.
Shoot off my ass.
Justin. Justin.
You missed it!
Jimmy!
I was gonna try to pass, but that's bad.
I have all hair in my eye. I can't see.
That was a long shift.
Yeah, tell me about it. My poison's getting to Brad. What? Said my poison's getting to you?
Okay. How long do you take to be able to keep this up? Dude, here!
I forgot to fix my hair.
I was trying to count that back. Let's try again.
Okay, let's see if I got time. I need a haircut.
Where the hit you at?
In the arm.
Is that bear skin?
Nah,
It sounded like it.
it's just
Hit you
nothing.
in the balls.
Did it
New.
hit you in my balls?
Yes.
Oh, I don't know what that through. I'm sorry, buddy. Sorry, pal. I'm sorry. You know what I like to do? I like to make a Michael Bay movie every so often. I do like this.
Did you see mine, Brian, and Justin's vines? Well, do you follow me on the Twitter?
I don't use my Twitter.
Oh, well, we posted some funny stuff
I get on there every day.
with
Oh,
Tom.
I'm bringing it back.
Yeah. MySpace.
What's wrong? Nice reading.
No. I try to do this too much, I think.
Pick your shot off.
Yeah, I didn't know he was gonna shoot it.
Okay.
Plus, I feel like these don't cover my knees. Like, look.
I'll let you all get it in 5 seconds.
Okay. Body to ball. Body to ball. Body to ball.
Let's see. You didn't have that.
I had it.
I'm an equal opportunity defenseman. Hey, it's gonna go in your net.
I hope so.
You'll be.
What was that?
That's that dumb. That's fine. Here, front.
Shoot it.
My cold armpit.
I'm gonna slide for one, Brian. Slide for one. I had my glove on it. I went like that. It hit my glove. Dude, Brad's coming. Yeah, right. Sauce. What kind? Barbecue? Buffalo? Hey, how much for those ribs? Red Octobers. It's me. Hey. Justin's down.
That was funny.
Alley-oop me.
What?
Saying Brian should alley-oop me.
Oh yeah, you're a dirty girl.
Should got that on the camera.
Hey, between us girls.
Who? What? You put your balls back in your body?
Over here now.
What did you say?
Except between us girls, balls in my pocket.
What's up? Hey, can I see the ball? Okay. The ball is in Brian's pocket.
Can I take a sip?
Yeah, go for it. Brad's already drank about half of it. It might be a little soapy because I just got it today, so I washed it.
I'll just feed on myself. That's what I said. It's a big guy.
Dylan, get out of here.
Yeah, why is there water there?
Why is this Community Drink Eric's Water Day? Community Drink Eric's Water.
It's Mike's secret stuff.
Mike's secret stuff from Space Jam.
And now Milby's as good as ever.
I'll fill it up when it needs it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Milby will. No one else will. Alright, I want more of
Hold on,
Mike's.
hold
I
on.
want more of Eric's secret stuff.
Are we doing another power play? We doing another power play? Huh?
One power play.
Yeah, so Justin gets hurt and we're on a power play.
Yeah, should we switch goalies? You guys want to switch sides?
Yeah, because I don't want Dylan on the team anymore.
Oh, you're fucking walling?
That was your man. That was your man.
I had a stick lifted, he just fucking put in. Just kidding, I wasn't anywhere near him.
Hey, watch out, I can't see.
I'll swear to I heard we're switching sides. We're so confused.
Yeah, I thought.
Wait, does it go in or out?
I stopped. I heard we were switching sides.
Oh.
I thought we were switching sides too.
What?
I thought we were switching sides too.
Wow, you don't score on you.
Yeah, I know. I wasn't ready. I didn't know we were starting. Brad, no.
It's fucking wet here.
Who did that?
That guy. No, it's this guy.
wasn't me.
But everybody's drinking my water, and it's all your fault.
Oh, do that shit. And Joe gets up. I think
Yeah, you're on. I could not see that one.
Well, I'm sorry.
Are you though? Wasn't ready. Trying to fix the pads. Well, I was gonna trip on these things.